Hello, GURPS Collectibles here. Today I am doing a 2017-18 Optic Basketball Mega Box. It comes with 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. You get 20 exclusive rated rookies, red, yellow, and hollow prisms. When this first came out, this box, I think it went for like around $35, I want to say. Usually what mega boxes are, that's what it is. But you're not guaranteed a hit, but right now the prices are like really cheap. I got this for like $12. I mean, I figure it's worth a try. I mean, there's some good rookies in here. Like Donovan Mitchell, Tatum, Ball, etc. So, I mean, there's some good rookies in here. And like I said, you're not guaranteed one, but there could be a possible in here, but I hardly doubt it, but we'll see. I mean, it's worth a shot for that price, you know. So we'll see what we get out of this today. I hope everybody had an awesome 4th of July. I know I haven't done a video in a week here, but it's been I've been crazy busy, so I haven't had the time to do any breaks for you. Pretty big box for just these little packs here. Now, I've never opened any of these Optic Basketball before, so this will be different for me. Hopefully we get something nice. Alright, so we got a Joe Johnson base. Oh, nice. Got Alonzo Ball, rookie Kings. Then we got Justin Patton and a Fultz for that red and yellow prism. So there must be the last 2 cards. That's cool. Base is Dwayne Wade. Insert of JoJo White. And then our 2 is Ferguson and Brown. But how cool would it be though just to pull a autograph in here just out of nowhere? That would be pretty sweet. We got a regular rated rookie of Frank Natilcada. I'm brutalizing that name. There we got a hollow prism here of Patton. Yeah, let's put the inserts. And our 2 are Thomas Bryant and Jonathan Isaac. Our 2 red and yellow prisms. Our base is Greg Monroe, Court Kings of DeMarcus Cousins. And we got our Kyle Kuzma and Laura Markkanen. Alright, so our base is CJ McCollum. Court Kings of Klay Thompson. There's a lot of Court Kings in here. And we have our red and yellow is Luke Kennard. Yeah, I don't even want to attempt that name, that one on the left. It's tough pronouncing these names. Base is Jamal Murray. Another Court Kings of Jordan Bell. Another Golden State guy. David Reed and DJ Wilson. Alright, so we got 4 more packs. Regular rated rookie of Derek White. Insert of Iverson. And we got Lonzo Ball and Semi Ojeleye. Man. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Carmelo Anthony base. A hollow of Murray. And we got Thornwell and Allen. Kind of hoping for Tatum. I'm glad I got the ball though for red and yellow. Hopefully he does better for another team and get out of the injuries. Okay, we got John Wall. I like Court Kings of Stephon Curry. And that's the third Gold State guy I got from that. We got Justin Jackson and then yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt that. I tried. I don't think I brutalized his name, but his first name is Frank. All right, last pack. Trevor Ariza base. Court Kings of Andrew Wiggins. And then, oh, there we go. Got both of them Jazz too. That's pretty good. Tony Bradley and Donovan Mitchell. It's a good way to end the pack. No number cards, but we did get all of our red and yellow. We did get a Lonzo Ball one, and then of course we got a Donovan Mitchell one. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I wouldn't mind try that again. It's when you don't expect anything out of it, that's fine, you know. And then get these red and yellows, especially for this price, it's really good. So I'll take it. So that will do it for this box opening. Like, comment, or subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll try to get another video out here probably Monday. It'll be I'm gonna do another video game unboxing, and it ain't Retro Game Treasure anymore. It's called Retro Rec Room. So I'll be showing that for the first time on my video. So hopefully you get something good out of it, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in the video. And that will probably be on Monday according to the tracking. If not, it will be on Tuesday, but I will let everybody know on my Facebook page. So until then, see you next time.